Hey again, here's the Corner Video Center. I'm Jack. Today we will serve the last item of the P series automatic touch controller, right? This is the RGB touch remote controller, okay? Here, this is the RGB color controller, right? Let's take a look at the basic of the keys. The top of the controller left right side. This is the speed and the dimming level of the key, the function keys. Okay, and this is the saving mode key, the function for saving mode. When you run the two modes, you can save, right? This is the 30-second time delay of time function key, right? Here, this is the mode key. Okay, so right now we'll take a look at the basic information here. Working voltage 12 to 24 volt, current 4 amp per channel for RGB. It is 3 channel only, say 12 amp max for RGB controller, right? The third point, it is work together with remote control. Right here, this is the remote control for the RGB controller, right? So we'll take a look for more tests for the detail for this controller here, right? So on the function, after the lighting off, here the white color, okay? The white color here, this is the small lighting. It is the indicating lamp here. This indicating lamp is very useful and safety for the people when they wake up at night. They can easily to find it out where this their dimmer, right? And when we push any keys of the touching phase here, you can hear the sound from the controller. And some people, they don't want to hear the sound from the controller. So this is also possible. But how can we do that, right? So let's do that. Push. Light on the lighting. And then we put the on off key for a long time, right? And then you can see that the indicating lamp is getting flash for 3 times. That means a seed for making disappear the sound, right? So no sound anymore from the controller, okay? Okay, so let's do some basic tests for more function. This is touching ring here. When you choose the different color, what we wrote. Okay. So this is the other point I also have to mention, because when the customer they buy from the product from manufacturer directly, say before they purchase, we set their code together already. So we set the default code into the remote with the panel controller, right? So, but sometimes they clear the code by themselves, so they have to set the code later on and then make it work together again. So how can we do that? Set the code. It is easy. Let's do that test, okay? Okay, let's push the 30-second delay of time function key here, and then let's push for a long time till the indicating lamp no flash again. And then we use this remote and choose any key from the remote, right? And choose any key, and then You can see it is working. So it is very simple and easy to set the curve together. This is a simple, right? So those P series wall mount controller, the most important point is work together with the remote control together. This is a extra advantage for the panel controller, right? So thank you for your patience to see the video for P series of LiFu product, right? And then you also can visit our YouTube website also for more detailed information and new product, alright? So thank you very much. See you next time.